So I bought this Corsair T2 Road Warrior almost a year ago, and I have been enjoying sitting in this game chair. But one day, one of the wheels got broken like this, and all the oil bearings were scattered all over the floor. I contacted Corsair for support, and although it took a while for them to get back to me, once the support team was assigned to my tickets, they quickly initiated a so-called one-way replacement process. Basically, they're sending me a set of 6 pairs of replacement wheels. It took a few days to receive the package, and inside there were all brand new 6 pairs of wheels. I picked one of them, put it on, and it was all done. The chair is as good as new. It's good to be a customer of Corsair.